What if the first clear sign of life beyond Earth didn't come from a far-off galaxy, but from the star system closest to our own? Imagine a rocky planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, suddenly revealing clues that could answer humanity's oldest question. Are we alone in the universe? A recent observation has shaken the scientific community. Using its extraordinary infrared vision, the James Webb Space Telescope recorded something unexpected from Proxima Centauri b, a planet more than 4 light-years away. On the planet's night side, faint and unusual glimmers appeared, subtle yet persistent, standing out from anything astronomers have seen before. At first, the idea seems almost impossible. Detecting such delicate signals across the immense emptiness of space shouldn't be feasible. Yet Webb's sensitivity revealed patterns of light that appear structured and organized, unlike the random glow produced by natural planetary processes. These faint illuminations resemble what we might expect from widespread energy use rather than simple reflected starlight. Proxima Centauri b is incredibly close in cosmic terms, making it one of the most studied exoplanets beyond our solar system. Despite this proximity, the planet exists in harsh conditions. It orbits extremely close to its red dwarf star, exposing it to intense radiation and violent stellar flares. The planet is likely tidally locked, meaning one side faces constant daylight while the other remains in perpetual darkness, creating dramatic temperature extremes. By Earth standards, survival there would seem unlikely. Powerful radiation could erode any atmosphere, and surface conditions could shift between extreme heat and deep freezing cold. And yet, these mysterious lights continue to appear, raising questions that are difficult to ignore. Could life exist in such an unforgiving environment? Could intelligence emerge under conditions so different from our own? On Earth, life has proven remarkably adaptable, thriving in places once thought impossible, from deep-sea vents to frozen polar ice and highly radioactive environments. If life can persist here under such extremes, it may not be unreasonable to imagine it adapting elsewhere. The James Webb Space Telescope allows scientists to study this world in ways never before possible. Its infrared instruments can detect heat signatures, energy distribution, and chemical traces in a planet's atmosphere. Substances such as oxygen, methane, or water vapor, if present, could hint at biological processes or habitable conditions. What makes these observations especially intriguing is that the detected light does not resemble known natural phenomena. The patterns appear stable and repeating, suggesting a controlled source of energy rather than random geological or atmospheric effects. This has led some researchers to consider the possibility of artificial activity, though no conclusion has been reached. Astronomers studying the data have noted that Proxima Centauri b's heat patterns don't align with expectations for a typical rocky planet. The infrared readings suggest something unusual is affecting the planet's surface or atmosphere. Whether this is due to unknown natural processes or something more extraordinary remains an open question. If life exists on Proxima Centauri b, even in its simplest form, it would dramatically change our understanding of biology and the universe. It would mean that life can arise under conditions far more extreme than those on Earth. And if intelligent life exists there, capable of shaping its environment, it would suggest that advanced civilizations may be far more common than we once believed. Future observatories, including next-generation ground-based telescopes, will allow scientists to examine nearby exoplanets in even greater detail. These instruments may analyze atmospheric chemistry, surface features, and possibly even signs of technology or artificial structures. For now, Webb continues to observe, collecting faint signals of heat and light from this nearby world. Each observation fuels debate, curiosity, and wonder. The subtle glow detected on Proxima Centauri b may represent one of the most important clues humanity has ever encountered. Whether these lights come from unfamiliar natural processes or something more profound, They challenge our assumptions about life and our place in the cosmos. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and wondered if we are alone. Now, for the first time, we may be witnessing evidence that suggests the universe is far more alive than we ever imagined. Proxima Centauri b is more than a distant planet. It is a symbol of possibility, resilience, and mystery. It reminds us that life may not need gentle conditions to exist, and intelligence may arise in environments we would never expect. As we continue to observe and explore, one truth becomes clear: the universe is not silent. Across the darkness, faint signals continue to reach us, carrying questions, possibilities, and perhaps even answers. Somewhere beyond our world, something may be enduring, adapting, and looking back toward us with the same curiosity we feel. And in that shared curiosity lies the beginning of a new chapter for humanity, one that may forever change how we understand life, the universe, and ourselves.